The universe is vast, so vast that it's almost impossible to comprehend. When we look up at the night sky, we only see a tiny fraction of what's out there. But have you ever wondered just how big the universe really is? Welcome to Großdenken, my friends. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through space and time to explore the true scale of the universe. From the size of Earth and our solar system to the farthest reaches of the cosmic web, we'll uncover what science tells us about the size of the cosmos. Get ready to feel small. It's going to be a mind-expanding ride. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and help this channel grow. Let's start with something familiar. Our planet has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, or about 7,918 miles. It's big, but in the grand scheme of the universe, it's tiny. The distance from Earth to the Moon, the farthest humans have traveled, is about 384,400 kilometers, or 238,855 miles. If you could drive there at highway speeds, it would take you roughly 6 months. Now, let's zoom out to our solar system. The Sun, the center of our solar system, is a giant ball of plasma with a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers, or 870,000 miles, 109 times larger than Earth. The entire solar system spans about 287.46 billion kilometers, with Neptune, the farthest planet, orbiting at a distance of roughly 4.5 billion kilometers, or 2.8 billion miles, from the Sun. But even our solar system is just a tiny speck in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is our home galaxy, a vast collection of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. It contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars and spans about 100,000 light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, light, which travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, or about 186,000 miles per second, takes 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth. But to cross the Milky Way, light would take 100,000 years. Our solar system is located in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. And at the center of the Milky Way, a supermassive black hole, known as Sagittarius A, which has a mass equivalent to about 4 million suns. But the Milky Way is just one galaxy among many. Our galaxy is part of a small cluster called the Local Group, which contains about 54 galaxies, including the Andromeda Galaxy and several smaller dwarf galaxies. The Andromeda Galaxy, the largest in the Local Group, is about 220,000 light-years across, more than twice the size of the Milky Way. It's located roughly 2.5 million light-years from us and is on a collision course with the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will merge to form a giant elliptical galaxy. The Local Group itself spans about 10 million light-years and is just a small part of an even larger structure. Our Local Group is part of the Virgo Supercluster, which is a massive collection of about 100 galaxy groups and clusters spread across 110 million light-years. But even this is just a small piece of the cosmic puzzle. The Virgo Supercluster is actually part of an even larger structure called the Laniakea Supercluster, a sprawling network of galaxies that spans 520 million light-years. Laniakea contains around 100,000 galaxies, and its name means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian, a fitting description for something so vast. At this scale, galaxies are no longer isolated. They're connected by a cosmic web of dark matter, with filaments stretching across the universe like a giant spiderweb. Now, Let's talk about the observable universe, the part of the cosmos we can see. This region is limited by the speed of light. Since the universe is about 13.8 billion years old, we can only see light that has had time to reach us. Because the universe has been expanding, the edge of the observable universe is now about 93 billion light-years in diameter. It contains an estimated 2 trillion galaxies and sextillions of stars, an unfathomable number. But here's the thing. The observable universe is likely just a tiny fraction of the entire universe. Scientists believe the universe could be infinitely large, meaning there's far more out there than we can ever see. So what lies beyond the observable universe? That's one of the biggest questions in cosmology. Some scientists speculate that the universe extends far beyond what we can observe, with regions of space we'll never be able to see because light hasn't had enough time to reach us. Others propose the idea of a multiverse, the notion that our universe is just one of many, each with its own physical laws and properties. While there's no direct evidence for the multiverse yet, it's an intriguing possibility that pushes the boundaries of our understanding. The universe is unimaginably vast, stretching across billions of light-years and containing trillions of galaxies. And yet, we're only beginning to understand its true scale. From the tiny planet we call home to the farthest reaches of the observable cosmos, the universe reminds us of how small we are and how much there is still to discover. Thank you for joining me on this journey through space and time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What fascinates you most about the size of the universe?